In a world where innovation meets mobility, where style meets substance, emerges the pinnacle of electric biking technology. The WAU CYBER, the world's most advanced e-bike. Welcome back to our channel. Next coolest gadgets. The WAU CYBER isn't just an e-bike, it's a symphony of engineering excellence and futuristic design. With its aerodynamically optimized frame, it blends seamlessly with the urban landscape while pushing the boundaries of efficiency. This new e-bike that combines cutting-edge technology with sleek, stylish design. It features a powerful motor that can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, a long-range battery that can last for up to 50 miles on a single charge, and a comfortable ride that is perfect for city commuting or long weekend rides. Conquer any terrain with ease thanks to the advanced propulsion system that seamlessly amplifies your pedaling power. Ascend hills with grace. Cruise through city streets effortlessly. The WAU CYBER empowers you to explore your world without limits. But what really sets the WAU CYBER apart from other e-bikes is its advanced features. It comes with a built-in GPS system, so you can always track your location and distance traveled. It also has a built-in headlight and tail light, so you can ride safely at night. And it even has a built-in speaker and microphone, so you can make and receive calls hands-free. Stay connected and informed with the integrated smart dashboard. Track your speed, distance, and battery life at a glance. Effortlessly navigate through city grids with real-time GPS guidance, ensuring you're always on the right path. Embrace the future of charging with the WAU CYBER's rapid charging technology. Whether at home or on the go, recharging is a breeze, ensuring you spend more time riding and less time waiting. Experience the synergy of elegance and performance as you glide through the world on the WAU CYBER. Its meticulously crafted frame, state-of-the-art components, and dynamic features redefine your journey, elevating it into an experience unlike any other. Elevate your ride with the WAU CYBER, where innovation, design, and power unite to create the world's most advanced e-bike. Join the revolution of urban mobility and embrace the future today. If you're as blown away as we are, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more incredible gadget insights. Until next time, stay prepared and keep exploring.